Good evening, this is Jan in a very big restaurant outside of Hua Hin, which is very popular. Frog with holy basil. It's when I sliced it already. Oh yeah. That is Thai basil, all right. Much flavor, very typical flavor. That is. Frog meat is good. It's tender. So there's small pieces of bone inside still, but you can eat them, no problem.
More food.
That is gang som with shrimps.
Your favorite animal?
My favorite animal. But I didn't order it. I have the frog. Now this is good with all the herbs and spices. There's pepper. There's of course chilies. And it's like as if with every bite, frog dish is getting spicier, more and more. It's heavy stuff. Luckily, I have some beer chan. So, Gert-Jan.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
What you're eating?
I'm eating fried chicken with cashew nuts. It's very nice, very arroy.
Sounds good. Yeah, Aloy.
Yes, I like it very much. Very good. Now grab some nuts. Yeah, really cashew nut. Nice. Yeah.
Good.
Good, very good. What you have now, Jan?
This is white snapper.
White snapper.
White snapper fish. In a lime sauce, which is very suitable for most fish, especially for this type of fish, the white snapper in this case. With some herbs, some vegetables. I think there's kind of coriander something in there. And chilies, of course. Nice Thai food. I love it.
So, what you have now, Jan?
Yeah, for dessert I have durian ice cream.
Durian ice cream?
Yeah, durian, a typical Thai fruit.
Yes.
Which not everybody's a fan of, but I am.
No, because it smells very hard.
Yeah, it doesn't have a nice smell, but it tastes, it tastes good for me. Ice cream. Yeah. Very peculiar flavor. Also during ice cream. I just happen to like this. Very tropical, very different than all other ice creams.
Yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah, and so does it taste. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like we do.